Today we'll be talking about how to solve real-world design challenges using Figma tools and techniques. Figma itself is a powerful tool. There are several features that will tackle design challenges and projects with ease. So let's take a look at some of these features. The first on our list is the real-time collaboration features. You know when they say hello to seamless collaboration and goodbye to headaches, this is exactly what they are talking about. This feature makes collaboration easy and seamless. Several members of the organization can work on a particular project at the same time and on the same platform. All you need to do to get started is to invite your team member. You can get this done by pressing the share button, inputting their email address, selecting the action you want them to take. That's maybe you want them to view the project or edit the project. After that, you can press invite and they will get a notification in their email. There's also the link option. You can copy the link and send it to your team member, but you need to specify if you want everybody to have access to it or you want a selected few to have access to the file. When your team member joins, the avatar will be displayed on the file. You can even observe what your team member is doing. To do that, all you need to do is hover over the avatar and press click to follow. You'll see something like this green screen, and you can even edit what your team member is doing. To stop observing them, you just need to click on stop on the green frame. You can even leave comments for your team members. All you need to do is click on the comments icon, type in your comment, and even tag whoever it is you want to direct that message to. They will get the notification on their own end. Next is prototyping. With Figma, you can turn your design into prototypes in minutes. With this, you can have a proper view of what your live design might look like. You can get a feel of what the live project might look like, and you can iterate and make changes till all the design needs are met. If you want to know more about prototypes, I shared a video earlier that will walk you through what prototyping in Figma entails. The link will be somewhere on the screen. You can click it and learn a thing or two. The next on our list is design system. You know how important consistency is as a brand, even as an individual. Figma is already making this easy for you. Design system is basically reusable components, elements, and styles. Be it typography, color, font, basically all the components that you need for your brand. Things like avatar, icon, badge, input field, grid format, basically everything you think you can reuse in your designs. This will make things faster and easier, and it will also show brand consistency. The last is collaboration with developers. Figma makes the handoff process easy. You can be rest assured developers will implement your designs accurately. Just make sure you share the design specs with them. Make sure the design system is shared, and make sure the elements in your frame are named and labeled accurately. Another thing to consider with developers is the communication. Make sure there is a clear communication between yourself and the developer. Make sure you are following them every step of the way. And trust me, when this is done right, your project will definitely be a success. Try this out and let me know what you think. Bye.